Favorite trend. It's your girl Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So if that's something that you're looking for, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss when I do an upload. Now, whether you are a new or returning subscriber, I do just want to thank you guys for taking some time and energy to spend some time with me today and to really invest into your education. Now, if you need more than the videos that I have on YouTube, and you do need a little bit more attention or time, I do offer personal mentorship on a 3-month, 6-month, or a lifetime basis. And that information is down below in the description box. Now, what I love about my program is that it is self-guided and it is a learn and earn system. So you are able to make money by copying my trades even before you know what you're doing. And I also have live classes every Sunday at 6 p.m. for the students who are registered. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, again, you can find out more information down below in the description box or leave me a question in the comment box and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So in today's quick video, we're going to be continuing our series on the Candlestick Trading Bible, which is an amazing book and resource by Munehisa Homma, who is regarded as one of the most successful traders in history. Now, today we're going to be talking about the Doji candlestick pattern because even though you see candles on your chart all the time, it is helpful to know that they all have names. Now, candle patterns can come as either one candle or it can be a series of candles that gives you a little bit of insight into what the market is going to do that will help you make a better trading decision. So today we're going to be talking about a single candlestick pattern, and this is called the Doji candle. It is one of the easiest candles to recognize, and if you're able to identify this, you should definitely add it to your trading plan, your trading strategy, so that you can have better entry points and you're not really guessing. Especially if you're still struggling with entry and exit points, I think being able to identify the Doji will help you. It's super simple, and this is what it looks like. So a doji candlestick, it looks like a cross, it looks like a T, and this is because the opening price and the closing price are so close together because the market is so indecisive. It's unknown whether the buyers are in control or whether the sellers are in control. However, when you see this, it's usually a sign that the market is going to reverse and go the opposite way of what it's already been doing. Now, this is a screen grab directly from the book, but we are going to head over to tradingview.com, which is one of my favorite charting platforms. Well, the only trading charting platform that I use to help me identify my trades. Now, again, you can do this with any asset, but I'm going to be focusing on Forex and providing you an example on Euro USD. So I did already highlight some doji candles directly on my chart, just so that you guys can see these examples clearly. Now I'm going to put the chart in replay mode just so that we can see what happens after a doji candle is formed. So as we can see, the market was on a strong uptrend for a couple of hours. And we know this because of the shape of the market, right? We know this because we can see more green candles than red candles. And we can also see that higher highs and higher lows are being created. Now, when the doji candle was formed, this is a clear symbol that a sell is going to happen imminently, right? This is usually where you want to enter for a sell or start to set your pending orders, sell stops for to be able to catch the selling trend as the market goes down. Now, I do have one indicator on my chart, which is the stochastic, and we're going to use the stochastic in conjunction with the doji candles just to show you how simple trading can be if you understand what you're looking at and you have a method that you follow. So the first thing that we're going to notice is our doji candle, which looks like a T, again, just like the book. And then we also have our stochastic facing down. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that if the stochastic is facing down, the market is usually going to also be going down. And when the stochastic is facing up, the market is going to be going up. So we're just going to put a vertical line here where we see our doji candle. And then we're also going to use our short position tool, which you can find on the left panel. That's going to help us set our take profit and our stop loss. So we're just going to set our stop loss a little bit above. We can move this now. We're going to set our stop loss a little bit above where the doji has its highest point, and we're going to just set our take profit just below a lower low. Now we're going to hit play and we're going to see what happens, right? Now, just as expected, the market has decided to turn around and switch directions. Our stop loss was not hit, our take profit was hit, and the market continued to sell. And this is just based on two simple things: being able to identify that doji candle and also being able to use one indicator that's going to help you figure out which way the market is going. Now, I do have a few more examples that I'm going to show you guys just so you can see that this isn't a one-off thing. These candle patterns really work. They've been working for hundreds of years for other people, and they can definitely work for you as well. So again, we're going to put the chart in replay mode, and we're going to follow the same exact system that we just did in the last example so you can see how easy this can be for you. So we can see the market was coming off of an uptrend, right? We can see that a doji candle has formed at the top of a trend, and we can see our stochastic starting to bend and really making the decision to come back down. Now, if you look to the left, when you see that these numbers, if you have them on your chart, and I'll just show you quickly how to add them, you want to right click on your scale, you want to click labels, and you want to have indicators financial values turned on just so that you can see these numbers clearly. Because when the numbers are below 80, this is a strong symbol for a sell, and when they're above 80, this is a strong symbol for a buy. So we can see that the doji candle has formed. Now, again, what we're going to do is we're going to click our short position tool. Since the doji is found at the top of the trend, we're going to set our stop loss a little bit above the doji, and we're going to set our take profit below a previous low, and we're going to go ahead and see what happens. Now, as we can see, the market did not go back up to our stop loss. It did indeed continue to sell just as we thought it would by working with the doji candle. So this is pretty simple, you guys. I'm not going to do the full replay for the last two examples, but I am going to highlight them just so you can see that when you are able to identify a simple candle pattern, whether it's a doji or something else, you'll notice how much better your trades tend to be. So here we have another example of a doji that was found at the top of a small buying trend. In addition to the doji candle, the stochastic also started to face down. Hence is why the market sold. Now, this is very simple. And if you just scroll through your chart, I encourage you guys to scroll through your chart and just get some practice, because the more you practice, the more you'll be able to notice these things. Here is another doji that we can see was found at the bottom of a trend, and then the market actually went up, right? Here's another doji, right? One right here. We can see the market was indecisive, and then the market went up. So I really hope that this video was helpful in helping you guys to identify at least one candle pattern that you can practice with and stick with to help you become more profitable in your trades. If this was helpful and you learned something, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment to let me know what your favorite candlestick pattern is, or register for personal mentorship if you'd like to work with me more closely one-on-one. But that's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.